forward before the timer.
For the first one, Kron, you can go to the 4, 5, 6 team if you want. I Bladestormed the first one pretty easily, yeah.
Okay. Ranged.
I'm sorry. I thought I could go through.
You can never go through. Ranged, I don't know where you're going, but stay with the star.
Can you grip the one that's coming far away?
Ranged, careful. Ranged. Kill the skull. Kill the skull so they don't die and kill someone. Don't take any damage from this spy. Constrictor. Always first player. Melody now. Dodge. Melody. Get away from him.
Constrictor.
Got green.
Million.
Constrictor. Portals 30 seconds. Melody new.
Run away.
Get away from her.
Run away.
Constrictor in the back team. Get it out. Melody as well, so that's portals now.
Someone needs to take my portal. I died.
I took it.
Shimmy.
Already there.
Range, get
Please,
first
go.
low health down, please.
I'm lost.
Why don't we get it up here actually? Do you guys get it? I don't get it.
I'm settled.
Yeah, you only get it.
Me neither. I mean, you could use it last phase if you don't get it up here, right?
No, you get sated, but not the buff.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah. That's like... That's true. Get out. Constrictor and big and everything. Portals 10 seconds.
Watch your head on crush.
Melody, dodge it.
Get to the portals, guys.
Get Melody, can get into part now. Oh, never mind.
Get constrictor so all this can go in fast.
Line gather.
Melody.
Run away.
You didn't finish one.
Constrictor on Faye.
Constrictor.
I think lava DC or something. Over here.
Just front now.
Wait with pushing it through.
Yeah, we're 45.
We won't be able to make it anyway.
Okay.
You can do 10% in 15, right?
We go?
Yeah, if you can, you go.
Okay, we commit.
Have to do it in 2.
Good. Don't stand close to the crusher when that stops, please. Get to the back of the bus, finish up these things still. Finish up these things still.
Melee's come for
tank.
immortals.
You can tank it on top of a corruptor though. So ranged, finish this. Finish all the ads before we go on bus.
Silence here.
Roar now, one DSAC from... Yeah, thank you.
Put up skulls and guardians, please.
Let's get them all over.
I'll D-sec next one.
Save 5 more seconds.
Throw a Sunder on the boss if you can. Or when you can.
Save for 5 more seconds.
Silence here.
Raw 1 cooldown from chilling. Anytime can be gaze. Yeah, it's trolling, but anytime it can be gaze.
Anytime now.
Anytime now.
Anytime. I have 4 sanity, so I feel like he's really trolling me.
Aye.
He's feeling particularly old today.
Anytime now. Sanity low.
Watch it more.
Silence here.
Raw, use 1 cooldown, good.
So I got silenced because I used T-Sec.
Aye.
I use that.
I also pre-sealed the full raid before, so...
Okay, got it.
Oh, fragmental.
Okay, congrats.
I didn't expect